Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about WooCommerce theme. Like WooCommerce is a theme by which you can literally make any kind of e-commerce website out there on WordPress. Or should I put it like this, WooCommerce is also a plugin with the help of which you can create a e-commerce theme, e-commerce website. What is a e-commerce website? Like Amazon, Flipkart and all those online shopping website on which you go and purchase something and they will just deliver the stuff at your home. That is online shopping, or we can say e-shopping, or we can say WooCommerce or e-commerce. Okay, so today we are going to learn how we can make our own e-commerce website with the help of a theme which is named as electronic store WooCommerce theme. Okay, so let me show you how this theme actually works. This theme has over 12,000 sales, which is a ridiculous number. And let me show you live preview how exactly this themes looks like. Actually, this theme is very attractive according to my perspective because it comes with the compatibility of Elementor, which is the best page builder out there. So let me show you how it exactly looks. So here is a slider which shows the current offers which are running on the website, and here is a navigation menu. This navigation menu comes up with some images also, and the branding of the website. You can see here is the small branding, and other than that, if you scroll down, you will see the latest deal which you can catch up in the latest market. If you go further down, you will see all kinds of products available on the store, and you will get a professional looking uh, footer also. And at the footer bar, you will see the payment accepted by this website. You can put your payment accepted by this website. You might accept PayPal or Payoneer. You can put the logo here, and that would be really trustworthy if a website shows their payment gateways. Let me click on any item and let me show you how it exactly works. This is the product page where you will see the product name, availability of product. Right now this product is not available. Let me check another product. This smartphone, this smartphone is also out of stock, which you can just change the setting in the back end. This is the product name, this is the reviews, this is the price, and you can just add to cart this product, and you can literally go to the checkout page to buy this. So we are going to use this theme to make an e-commerce website out there. So let's get started. I will first go and download this theme. I have saved it here. You just have to come to this website and click on download now, and it will just drop down onto your browser and download will start. So right now I don't want to download it. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. I'll just cancel it, and you have to install this theme on your WordPress website. Just come over to your WordPress website. I'm working on a local host right now. Installed a fresh website with the basic theme which WordPress provides us. So once you're logged in into your WordPress website, come over here on the left side. You will see appearance. Click on appearance theme. Then you will see the currently theme which you are working with. This is 2020. You need to add a theme onto your WordPress website. And as we know, WordPress also provide a lot of free themes by which you can also make your work done. I would rather suggest you, if you don't have budget, just go with a free theme and add WooCommerce plugin, which is totally free. With the help of WooCommerce, you can also make a e-commerce website out there. But the thing is, the design and the feel you get in a premium theme that you won't get in a free theme. So I would suggest, if you have a budget, then go with the premium theme. I will upload that theme right here. Choose the file. Let me check what was the file name. It was Electro. I will select the file, downloads, Electro. Here is the file. I will install it. It's saying fail. Okay, that might be a bundled file. Let me open that file. Yeah, that is a bundle file. I will just extract it to my desktop and upload theme, choose file. It's on my desktop. Electro, select file, and here is the theme file. There are two types of theme. One is the Electro and Electro child theme. We have to upload both of them and activate the child theme. Let me show you how. Select Electro, install. Installation of a theme totally depends upon your internet speed. Activate this theme. and now add new, upload. Now we have to upload the child theme also. Upload this, install now, and activate the child theme as well. So right now our website is activated with the child theme of Electro. Now we have to install all the plugins which are recommended by the theme. Let me explain you why these are highly recommended. If a theme recommend you to install some kind of certain plugins, do not underestimate those notifications. Please do install all kind of recommended plugins, because a theme consists of some kind of certain functionalities. To properly work those function, a theme needs some kind of certain plugins. So whenever a theme asks you to install recommended plugins, do not forget to install all the recommended plugin. I will just check all, bulk action, install and apply. It will take like couple of minutes to install all the plugins. I will just wait for it. Okay, once we are done with the installation of all the plugins, it's time to activate all the plugin. You have to click here, return to required plugins installer. Then it will show you all the list of plugins which has been installed on our website. Select all, click bulk action and install, activate all the plugins. Okay, cool. Click on apply. It might take several minutes to activate all of the plugins. Let's wait for it. Okay, so as we can see, all of the plugins has been successfully activated on our website. Let me check if they are activated, or sometimes some plugins don't get activated when you select bulk action. Let me check it manually if all of them are activated or not. We'll skip this for the moment. Right, not right now. Let me check all the plugins are activated or not. Okay, as we can see, all the plugins has been activated. Let me see how our website look right now. It's something, it's like nothing. We have literally nothing on our website to show. So what we will do is we will try to import a demo on our website so that our website will look exactly like this, with a slider, with a custom sidebar, side menu bar, and some categories. Let me see where we can import all the settings. It's under tools, import, and there will be section of run importer. Click on run importer, import demo content, import demo data. So basically if I click on this import demo data button, it will extract all the files which are provided here, and this is basically the demo website. So what it will do, it will exactly copy this website onto your website, and the demo content will be installed on your website. So click on this and wait for the moment. Okay, as we can see, the import process has been completely finished. Let's go to our website and refresh it. I'll click on refresh and let's see what we have. So the import has been done successfully, or I should say it's not successful, but the thing is only the images has not been imported properly. The error might be there will be some kind of error. So I would rather suggest you, if you face any kind of problem like this, just go on your theme, reset your theme and try to import the content again. It will be fixed within like few minutes, nothing of a big issue. So if you want to buy this thing, you will find the link in the description. You can just click on it and you can buy this theme. So right now if you see, the regular license is around $60, but if you want to get a GPL license, which actually means that you will not get paid for the 12-month support or update. It will cost you around something like $8 if you want to just buy this theme, or I would rather suggest you to get a membership plan so that you can buy almost, let me show you, so that you can buy almost 300 items with only a small amount of $29 per month. Or if you have a high budget, you can just go for $240 for 5-year plans, in which you will get total download of 306,000 items per year. Like, this website had literally 5,000 WordPress plugin and theme, so that's a really great deal according to me. So I guess that's it for this video. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.